morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a rainy little ride this morning. How about that little fire truck action? So the rain is pouring, but not too harshly. Just, you know, just enough to make it exciting. And I finally created a little GoPro case that allows me to ride in the rain, and my GoPro will not get fucked up, and I can still record vlogs. I basically drilled a hole in my waterproof case and perfectly lined up and fitted a microphone to run up in there, which is a beautiful thing. And hopefully this works, and you can no, lady, what are you doing? Fucking people suck. If you're gonna be jaywalking, you should not be fucking dilly-dallying, you fucking monkey person. And this guy right here, I don't know what he's doing. He's probably being fucking lame as fuck. Whoa, backfires. My bike is backfiring. So how is everybody doing this beautiful afternoon? Do you guys like to ride in the rain? I sure do. I find it fun. I wonder how this rain footage is coming out. I hope it's coming out epic. It's kind of a hard drizzle. There's a fine line between a hard rain and a drizzle. Because right now, this is like nor here nor there, because my visor is getting old, raindroppy, and I can't see shit. It's like small, fine fucking drizzle. I kind of prefer hard rain, because that way I can just turn my helmet left and right and all the drizzle comes off. So here we are, wet Brooklyn on a Tuesday. Another crazy day ahead. Oh man, one thing is, I really should never check my email in the morning when I wake up, because that ruins my whole day. For the whole day, I'm like trying to decide how I'm gonna handle all these things I gotta do, instead of just fucking enjoying the ride and breakfast and morning time, you know? It's like there's no need to be already thinking about work when you're just waking up, or about tasks, you know? Look at this fucking Benz. It's like, yo, I got a big body Benz, but I don't have big body balls. But what are you gonna do? Some people just drive like pussies, and this is one of them. Look at this motherfucker. No turn signal. Let me look at this guy. He's a fucking douchebag. That's what he is. The fancier the car, the douchier the driver. I mean, it's not a rule, but it seems to be what happens around here. So spoken like a true jealous hater. Oh well. Whatever, man. I can have any car I want. Okay? I just choose to fucking ride my bike. Now, look at this BMW. I'm not sure exactly what he's doing, but he's definitely not keeping up with traffic. That's for goddamn sure. People are just taking their sweet time and cruising. I don't know. I don't get it. If it's wet and you're just driving in one of those little shit boxes and you're just going to work. I mean, I understand if you're in a Range or a Benz, maybe you're fucking lounging heavy. What if you're just, look at that school bus swerving. What if you're just, you know, driving to work? You might as well just fucking get there. You don't have to fucking cherish the moment in your sweet fucking Hyundai Elantra, you know? Like, it's totally fine. I'm gonna switch these lanes, because might as well be ready for my exit. Gonna go around these motherfuckers. Passing on the right, not always the smartest idea. I mean, passing anybody in the rain is not a smart idea, but whatever. Blinker on. We know where we're going, bruh. Nice little moisture going on, but not too crazy. It's a good chance you can't see any of the footage because it's all a bunch of fucking raindrops, which is possible. Which is very, very, very possible. Oh, look, it's not even all that cold. Oh, that's a beautiful thing when it's the temperature is nice. That's the most important. For me, like this rain shit, meh, I don't care. But temperature is important. And why is this guy not stopping? Really, dude? What are you fucking doing, you son of a bitch? Go ahead. Shut. Go ahead. Those people were looking at me like, what's happening here? I had to give it the fucking extra mustard because that's how shit is. And that's fine. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at us. Look at us and look at I. Should we go around cobblestones? Let's do it. Let's go around cobblestones in the wet. Playing with fire. Fire flame. Let's see what else we got in this hood. There's no need to be fucking all... It's funny because most people are just like, yo, I'm just trying to fucking get off the bike and park it. Meanwhile, I'm cruising. I like this wetness nonsense. Wish I could be out and about right now for a couple hours. I remember one of my very first rides, long rides, I actually got caught in the rain right away. It's pretty funny. And at the time I had no experience with the rain, so I was scared. I'm not sure what this person is doing, but I'm gonna pass them because he's going a little slow and we're in a mood to explore. Look at these. You're good, bruh. Not to worry. It's all no problem. There we go. We're on the wet. Whoa, I couldn't see that pothole. Damn. It's fine. It's all good. All right, let's see what's down here. Because at this point, we're just exploring. We're not even going anywhere. We're just seeing what's going on locally around here. I do want to do a little burnout. I should do it in front of the cops right here. I bet they would dig that out. You know, cops love burnouts, so why not? Cops also love coffee, apparently. Whoa, I don't know what's going on in that fucking hole there, but now we're fucked because now we're gonna have to do a loop-to-loop. I wonder if I can go through that fucking arc. That's what I wanted to do. Right over here. But it's probably illegal. Highly. highly illegal, and the cops would not be impressed. Or maybe they would be. It's hard to tell. Oh my god, this guy right here is really gonna go 2 miles per hour, isn't he? Taxi cabs just suck. Because they smell bad and they're stupid. You know what I mean? It's like, do you know anybody who smells worse than a taxi cab? Doubt it. But this person fucking is not smart either. A lot of confusion today. It must be, but the rain confuses people. They don't know how to react to it. I mean, I'm one of those people, I guess, because Lord knows I don't know how to react to it. Are you going, or what are you doing, lady? Oh my god.